Welcome to Ready Jet Go. Today we will be exploring the beautiful country of Brazil. Brazil, the largest country in South America, is a vast and diverse nation known for its vibrant culture, natural wonders, and rich history. It is home to over 215 million people, making it the most populous country in Latin America and one of the most culturally diverse, with influences from indigenous, African, European, and Asian communities. The country's official language is Portuguese, making it the largest Portuguese-speaking nation globally. Brazil's geography is incredibly varied, featuring the Amazon rainforest, which is the world's largest tropical rainforest. Here's a countdown of the top 15 cities to visit in Brazil, highlighting their unique attractions and cultural experiences. 15th, Belém. Belém, the gateway to the Amazon, is a vibrant city known for its rich history and cuisine. The Vero-Peso market is a must-visit, showcasing Amazonian ingredients like acai, tucupi, and Brazil nuts. The Teatro de Paz reflects the city's 19th century prosperity during the rubber boom. Belém's colonial architecture, such as the Forte do Presépio, provides a glimpse into its past. Visitors can enjoy a boat trip along the Amazon River, exploring nearby islands like Ilha do Marajó. The Chirio de Nazaré Festival, held in October, is one of the largest religious events in Brazil. For nature lovers, the Mangal das Garças Park offers views of native flora and fauna. The city's blend of indigenous, Portuguese, and African influences creates a unique cultural experience. 14th, São Luís. São Luís, the capital of Maranhão, is famed for its charming colonial architecture and vibrant folklore. Its historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with colorful tiled buildings lining narrow cobblestone streets. The city's reggae culture is strong, earning it the nickname Brazilian Jamaica. São Luís is also the gateway to the stunning Lençóis Maranhenses National Park, known for its vast sand dunes and turquoise lagoons. The Bumba Meu Boi Festival is a major cultural highlight, blending indigenous, African, and Portuguese traditions. The Palácio dos Leões offers panoramic views of the city and the nearby bay. Seafood lovers will enjoy dishes like arroz de cuja, a local specialty made with dried shrimp and native herbs. The city's mix of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a unique destination. 13th, João Pessoa. João Pessoa is known for its stunning beaches and rich history, being one of the oldest cities in Brazil. It boasts the Cabo Branco Lighthouse, marking the easternmost point of the Americas. The city is famous for its early sunsets, as seen from the Praia do Jacaré, where musicians play bolero as the sun sets. The historic center, with the São Francisco Church and Convento de Santo Antonio, showcases impressive colonial architecture. For nature lovers, the Parque Arruda Câmara features a botanical garden and zoo. The beaches, like Praia de Tambão and Praia do Coqueirinho, are known for their clear waters and coral reefs. The city's focus on sustainability has earned it the title of one of the greenest cities in Brazil. Local cuisine, with dishes like carne de sol and tropical fruit juices, is also a highlight. 12. Goiânia, known for its lush green spaces, is a planned city with a modernist layout. It features several beautiful parks, including the expansive Parque Flamboyant and the Vaca Brava Park, perfect for outdoor activities. The city is a hub for sertanejo music, a popular Brazilian country music genre. Visitors can explore the Museum of Art of Goiás, showcasing regional artwork. The Mercado Central is a great place to try local delicacies like pamonha and empadão goiano. Goiânia is also known for its vibrant nightlife, with many bars and clubs playing live music. It serves as a gateway to the Chapada dos Veadeiros National Park, a stunning natural area with waterfalls and hiking trails. 11. Fortaleza, located in the northeastern state of Ceará, is famous for its lively beaches and vibrant culture. Praia do Futuro is the most popular beach, offering numerous beach bars called barracas. The city is known for its nightlife, especially along Beira-Mar Avenue, where local artisans sell their crafts. Fortaleza's Dragão do Mar Center of Art and Culture is a key cultural hub, featuring museums, theaters, and exhibitions. The traditional dance forró is a must-see, reflecting the city's festive spirit. Seafood is a major part of the local cuisine, with dishes like moqueca and baião de dois. Visitors can explore the José de Alencar Theatre, an architectural gem dating back to 1910. Nearby, the beach town of Canoa Quebrada offers stunning red cliffs and vibrant nightlife. 10. Manaus, the capital of the Amazon, is a gateway to the world's largest rainforest. The city's Amazon Theatre is a stunning opera house built during the rubber boom. The meeting of the waters, where the dark Rio Negro and sandy-colored Amazon River meet but do not mix, is a natural phenomenon. Visitors can explore the Adolfo Lisboa market, offering exotic fruits and Amazonian crafts. Manaus is a starting point for jungle tours, where travelers can spot wildlife like pink river dolphins and sloths. The Museu da Amazônia, MUSA, offers insights into the region's unique biodiversity. Local dishes such as tacacá and pirarucu are must-tries for food lovers. The city's vibrant festivals like the Festival de Parintin showcase traditional Amazonian culture. 9. Brasilia, the capital of Brazil, is renowned for its futuristic architecture designed by Oscar Niemeyer. The city's layout, created by Lucio Costa, resembles an airplane or bird from above. Key landmarks include the Cathedral of Brasilia, with its unique glass structure, and the National Congress. Brasilia is known for its wide avenues, modernist buildings, and numerous green spaces like the Parque da Cidade. The city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its urban planning. Brasilia also hosts cultural events, including music festivals and art exhibitions. The city's diverse food scene features dishes from all over Brazil, reflecting its role as a national hub. 8. Recife, known as the Venice of Brazil, is a vibrant city famous for its waterways and historic architecture. The city's cultural heart is Recife Antigo, featuring colonial buildings, colorful houses, and the iconic Rua do Bom Jesus. The Kahal Zur Israel Synagogue, the first synagogue in the Americas, reflects its rich Jewish history. Nearby, Olinda offers stunning views and is known for its traditional carnival with giant puppets and frevo music. The city's beaches like Boa Viagem attract locals and tourists with their clear waters and bustling atmosphere. Recife is also famous for its cuisine, including dishes like bolo de rolo and caldo de cana. The Instituto Ricardo Brennand, a museum set in a replica medieval castle, showcases European and Brazilian art. The city's unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a top destination. 7. Salvador, the capital of Bahia, is known for its Afro-Brazilian culture, vibrant music, and colorful colonial architecture. The historic district of Pelourinho is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with cobblestone streets lined with pastel-colored buildings. The city is a hub for traditional dances like Samba de Roda and the martial art capoeira. Elevado Lacerda, an iconic structure, connects the upper and lower parts of the city, offering panoramic views of All Saints Bay. The city's carnival is one of the largest in the world, featuring massive street parties and parades. Salvador's cuisine, such as acarajé and moqueca, is heavily influenced by African traditions. The Church of São Francisco is famous for its ornate gold-covered interior. Visitors can relax at beautiful beaches like Praia do Forte and Itapuã. 6. Curitiba is known for its innovative urban planning, green spaces, and cultural diversity. The Botanical Garden of Curitiba is a major attraction, featuring a stunning glass house inspired by London's Crystal Palace. The city's efficient public transportation system, including the famous BRT, or Bus Rapid Transit, is a model for urban development worldwide. The Oscar Niemeyer Museum, shaped like an eye, showcases contemporary art and architecture. Visitors can explore the historic sector of Curitiba, filled with European-style cafes and colonial architecture. Parque Tangua offers picturesque views and a waterfall, perfect for a relaxing afternoon. Curitiba is also home to a large Italian and Polish community, which influences its local cuisine, with dishes like pierogi and polenta. The Ópera de Arame, an open-air concert hall made of steel and glass, is a must-visit for its unique design. 5. Porto Alegre, the capital of Rio Grande do Sul, is known for its vibrant cultural scene and gaucho traditions. The city sits along the banks of the Guaíba River, offering beautiful sunset views from Usina do Gasômetro, a cultural center. Porto Alegre is a hub for traditional Brazilian churrasco, or barbecue, with numerous steakhouses serving local favorites. The Mercado Público is a historic market where visitors can sample regional delicacies like chimarrão, which is mate tea. The Moinhos de Vento Park is a popular spot for locals to relax and enjoy nature. The city's historic center features colonial architecture, museums, and the São Pedro Theatre, one of the oldest theatres in Brazil. Porto Alegre is also a gateway to the Serra Gaúcha region, known for its wine production and charming German-influenced towns like Gramado. The city's festivals, such as the Porto Alegre Film Festival, celebrate its dynamic arts scene. 4. Belo Horizonte, affectionately known as BH, is famous for its lively bar scene and rich architectural heritage. The city is surrounded by mountains, offering stunning views from the Mirante do Mangabeiras. The Pampulha Architectural Complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, features buildings designed by Oscar Niemeyer, including the iconic São Francisco de Assis Church. Mercado Central is a must-visit for sampling local treats like pão de queijo and artisanal cheeses. Praça da Liberdade is a cultural hub surrounded by museums and historical buildings. The nearby town of Ouro Preto offers a day trip to explore colonial history and gold mines. BH's love for football can be experienced at the Mineirão Stadium, home to thrilling matches and a football museum. The city's numerous bars, known as boticos, make it a hotspot for nightlife and local music. 3. Florianópolis, or Floripa, is an island city known for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife and relaxed vibe. It boasts over 40 beaches ranging from the calm waters of Jurerê Internacional to the surfer-friendly waves of Praia Mole. The Lagoa de Conceição is a popular area for water sports, dining, and nightlife. Hercílio Luz Bridge, an iconic symbol of the city, offers breathtaking views, especially at sunset. Florianópolis has a rich Azorean heritage seen in its festivals and cuisine, with dishes like sequência de camarão, or shrimp sequence. The historic Ribeirão da Ilha neighborhood showcases colonial architecture and oyster farming. The city's vibrant nightlife is concentrated in the neighborhoods of Lagoa da Conceição and Jurerê, known for their clubs and beach parties. Floripa's natural beauty combined with a lively cultural scene makes it a top destination. 2. Rio de Janeiro, known as the Marvelous City, is famous for its stunning beaches, iconic landmarks, and vibrant culture. The towering Christ the Redeemer statue offers panoramic views from the summit of Corcovado Mountain. Sugarloaf Mountain provides another breathtaking vantage point of the city and its coastline. Copacabana and Ipanema beaches are world-renowned, attracting visitors for sunbathing, surfing, and the lively beach atmosphere. The Sambadrome is the heart of Rio's Carnival, the world's largest and most famous street party. The city's neighborhoods, such as Santa Teresa, are known for their bohemian vibe and historic charm. Visitors can explore the lush Tijuca Forest, one of the largest urban rainforests. Rio's nightlife, samba music, and caipirinhas make it an unforgettable experience. 1. São Paulo, the largest city in Brazil, is a bustling metropolis known for its diverse culture, cuisine, and art scene. The city's skyline is dotted with skyscrapers, best viewed from the Edifício Itália, or Bannispão. The Avenida Paulista is the cultural artery, home to the São Paulo Museum of Art, known for its iconic architecture and vast collection. Liberdade, the largest Japanese neighborhood outside Japan, offers unique dining experiences. São Paulo's food scene is world-class, featuring everything from traditional Brazilian dishes to international cuisine in neighborhoods like Vila Madalena. The Ibirapuera Park, designed by Oscar Niemeyer, is a green oasis in the city. São Paulo is also a hub for music, theater, and festivals like the São Paulo Fashion Week. Its dynamic energy, cultural diversity, and endless activities make it a must-visit destination in Brazil. Brazil is a dynamic and diverse country, where stunning natural landscapes, rich cultural traditions, and bustling urban centers coexist. Its vibrant festivals, passionate love for football, and warm hospitality create unforgettable experiences for visitors. Brazil remains a captivating destination that showcases the resilience and creativity of its people.